Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see one of the topic on the HTML. Okay, so on the previous video we have covered some of the topics that is like what is the HTML and what is the tags and the elements. Okay, so in this video we will cover with one another topic that is called what are the tags. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand the what are the tags. So what this tag will do means it will give the instructions to the web pages or a web brochures. So for example, whichever you want to display, for example, I want to display the paragraph. Okay, so if I give them in normal, so it doesn't give like it is a paragraph. It may display something else. Okay. So if I am trying to add the image in the web browser, I need to give the what? The image tag itself. So that image tag will give the what? Instruction to web browser. So you need to display the what? Image itself. Okay. So that is what the purpose of this tag. So and the tags will be enclosed in the angle brackets like you can see that p tag and the image tag. Okay. And also we'll be having a start tag and the end tag. So within that start tag and end tag, we will write the elements to display. Okay, this tag will give the instruction to the what? The web browser to display the content and the structure for the web page. Okay, so in this tags, there are several tags are there like headings tags, paragraph tags, image tags, like link tags, body tag, HTML. There are multiple tags are there. Once we will go with the tags in the next videos, you will understand what all these kind of tags will go for. Okay, so and which what are the this tags will apply for and what kind of instruction will give it for the web browser. Okay, okay. So the thing is, we'll see the next is like what is the syntax of that. The syntax will be the start tag. So here the start tag will be there and here is the end tag. So in between I have to write the element. So which is helpful for us to display. Okay, if I don't write any kind of element inside the start tag and end tag, it doesn't display anything. So it will be empty, right? Empty. So it doesn't display anything. So if I want to display anything, I have to write it within the what? The element I have to write it with between the what start tag and the end tag. So for example, you can see there is a HTML. Okay, there is HTML tag is there, so which is written within some kind of like element is there in between the start tag and the end tag. Okay, you can see the body tag also. Okay, so there are some tags are there which doesn't have any kind of end tags. Okay, so and there is no need to write any kind of element for that. So that's the reason it won't be having any kind of end tag with that. So when I want to display anything, so like just like heading or body, something like that. So at that time, I have to I have if it's having the what the end tag. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the tag. If you like our video, please hit on the like button, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching, guys.